Hey there, guys. This is Jose. I'm making another video. Um, you can tell by the name right here what it's called. Um, a lot of people enjoyed my last video I made. It was called "Baby's Bedtime Song," and a lot of people enjoyed it. Like I said, thank you for the support and likes and comments. And I hope you guys will like this one too and comment on this one too. Just drop a like, and I'll see you guys later.
I wanna be your honey. I wish to tell you straight what's on my mind, but I'm feeling like my tongue is tied. I love you so, but I don't know how to let you know. Beep, 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 beep. It tells me my love is deep. Baby, dum, 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 dum. Leave my heart beat like a drum. Gotta tell me butterflies when I look into your eyes. Na 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 na, 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 na 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 na. My precious little baby, you really drive me crazy. I wanna tell you why you should be mine, but I'm mumbling 'cause I'm just too shy. I love you so, but I don't know how to let you know. Beep, 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 beep. It tells me my love is deep. Baby, dum, 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 dum. Leave my heart beat like a drum. Gotta tell me butterflies when I look into your eyes. My little cutie, I'm totally in love with you. I'm too shy to say a word, but I hope you love me too. Na 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 na, 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 na 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 na. I love you so, but I don't know how to let you know. Beep, 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 beep. It tells me my love is deep. Baby, dum, 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 dum. Leave my heart beat like a drum. Gotta tell me butterflies when I look into your eyes. And finally you know it. Without you, my life is incomplete.